Hello teachers and my dear friends. My name is Adya Shati from grade 1A. My roll number is 1. My Nirman project is Imaginary Park. This is an ice cream cone made by cardboard. Now I am coloring it. I am making boundaries for my park. I am making a way where people and animals are walking together at the park. Whenever I go to park and zoo, I wonder why animals are kept in cages. Why can't they come and play with us? Why fruits are only grown on trees? And not chocolates? So I thought of making this imaginary park project where you can see animals playing with us and chocolates grown on trees. So in future, I want a park where human beings and animals to enjoy slides and have delicious ice creams and chocolates. Hope my dream will come true one day. Thank you. Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Anuja from grade 8. Topic Imagination. My doll house. My favorite cartoon character is Barbie doll because she is very beautiful. Beautiful eyes and nose and pink lips and long hair. In my imaginary world, just like a human, my Barbie dolls should also have their houses where they can live with their family members. Just like a human world, we have hospital, school, mall, airport, and all other facilities. I also want that Barbie dolls should also have facilities as human beings. In my Barbie doll house, there are many sections like bathroom, kitchen, dining room, and living room, and bedroom. I wanted this type of world actress as give them a place where they can live with their peaceful mind and every possible facilities. Thank you. Greetings of the day to all my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ashna Vaishnav. I am from grade 1A division. I am here to explain my Nirman project. As we all know that there are few basic needs in our life like food, clothes, shelter and education. These are our basic rights also. People like us are blessed with all the things that are available easily in our life. There are many underprivileged people who need to struggle a lot and get their basic rights. So here I am with my machine to help them and to fulfill their basic rights. So that I have named the rights box. Hak se pai. So let us start understanding my machine. This section makes clothes and shoes for the needy people. So one person has to step on this section and needs to stand on the footprints. The mirror will scan the body measurements. If there is a father, mother, kid, boy or kid girl, they have to press the buttons. This measurements will be transferred in this stitching zone, and the stitching zone will take the cloth materials from this section. Then the ready clothes will come in this collection zone like this. See the man, he has got his clothes from the machine. And the same way, the whole family got their clothes. I will show you. See how beautiful clothes they are wearing now. Father, mother, kid boy and kid girl. The same way they will get shoes from this section. Now let us see how this machine fulfills their other rights. Let's see. Now the side of machine takes care of the education and the food requirements. This portion is enabled with LED screens for online schools and classes with teachers. And the below portion is the roti fridge. So we can put our leftover food in the fridge and the needy people can open the fridge and take the food and eat it. Now we will see how this machine creates revenue. For that, these are the advertisement boards. I hope you all will like it. This machine will help the underprivileged people to fulfill their basic rights. Thank you. My name is Ananya Kundan Degaukar from Anil Dalmia High School, 1A, roll number 4. Welcome you all to my pink Barbie house. This is my duplex house with a beautiful garden in front. I have created my favorite games like Giant Wheel, Free Fall, Swing and Slide. I also have my car and private jet parking. This is my modular kitchen and dining table. Here is my double bed, dressing table, study table and shelf. My ecosystem which is of grass, soil, trees, plants, animals, birds, insects and human beings. Ecosystem is a group of living organisms that live together. Dream of living in a such type of house where all creatures live together. I would like to thank Anil Dalmia High School for giving me an opportunity to express my imaginary world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Madhukar Pujari. I am studying in grade 1A. Today my topic for Nirman project is imaginary garden. You can all see this is my imaginary garden. I have used ice cream stick for making the pencils and I have used color paper for making the coconut trees leaf and I have used straw for making the coconut trees stem and I have used color paper for making the flowers and cardboard for making the tree and I have used color paper to make a leaf and I have used color paper to make this butterfly. I have used this rock to stick here and flowers to stick here. You all know a garden is very important place. A garden is a place teeming with beauty, floral and animal life. Trees, plants, flowers, shapes, insects, birds, butterflies, fruits, etc. abound in a garden. A garden is beautiful and peaceful place where one can feel joyful. Children love to play in a garden. Unfortunately, the number of gardens are decreasing. There should be a garden in each and every residential area. Thank you.
I am going to share with you my imaginary world. This is the year of 3020. 1000 year in the future. This is our earth. There are no people living here. Where are the people gone? Because of global warming, we cannot live on the earth. We have moved from earth to Mars. Humans have built colonies on Mars. But do we have oxygen on Mars? No. So, what will we do? So we have oxygen generator on Mars. This generates oxygen for all people. These houses are specially designed to withstand Mars temperature. This is the solar panel that generates electricity. Oxygen generator. This is the oxygen generator for all houses. We have creative mountains and rivers. Friends, how do we travel on the Mars? Do we still use cars? We use spaceship to go from one place to another. I hope you like my fantasy world. Thank you. My name is Arviza. I'm here from first grade. My topic is Vedama River. A greenhouse. I'm making greenhouse. I'm sticking. Green plants important over life. Feed my city. Topic is an imaginary toy. A flying elephant. If I have a flying elephant, I would fly high in the sky and go to one place to another place. And also, my friends can sit on the flying elephant. I could go to school and come back. I could do many things. And no friends. Flying elephant don't cost much. Flying elephant costs less and diesel and petrol cost more. So they don't cause pollution also. And my friends also can enjoy to sit on the flying elephant. I can pass the mountains, rivers, and touch clouds, rainbows, and touch stars also at night. So this is my imaginary toy flying elephant. I wish that I have a imaginary toy and this become real. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Sriti Piyush Shukla from grade 1A. My project's name is Flying Human. Traffic in big cities is a big problem. It causes air and noise pollution. So why can't we just fly like birds and not harm anybody? In my imaginary world, I see everyone flying. Flying over mountains, houses, streets, and clouds is so much fun. Flying with wingsuits is also a sport. I want to also fly with wingsuits. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Jashvi Trivedi. I study in grade 1 class A roll number 10 and today's project is about wireless electricity. Before I start, I want you all to close your eyes and imagine the world without wires. Is it possible world without wires? And the answer is yes, it is. Now I want all of you to open your eyes. And now I will show you my miniature version of a house without wires. Now I'll show you my project. This is a Tesla coil invented by a great scientist Nikola Tesla in 1891. With this device, you can transmit electricity without wires. Now I'll explain you about my project. This is the copper wire. These are the wires. This is the battery. This is the switch. And if you put this device close to your house in the future, you can get light easily without wires. Now I will show you how my project works. Can you switch off the lights, please? This is a CFL bulb and I'll switch on the light. When I get the CFL bulb close to the copper wire, it works. But you can see there's no wires. This is the wire part, but there's no wires. It works with the CFL bulb. Let's see how it works with my house. Oh, it works. Can you switch on the light, please? Now we know how to use this Tesla coil to transmit electricity to devices like fan, tube light, AC, television, and many more. Thank you for watching my project. Now imagine the world without wires. This is Diana Shisha from grade 1A studying in Anandanya High School. Imaginary means which exist only in imagination and are not real. Today I am going to tell you about my imaginary project, which is Flying Medical Van. This is my Flying Medical Van. Since I want to become a doctor, I always wished if I would have a Flying Medical Van. My Flying Medical Van would have all the necessary equipment and first aid box in it. Since it has wings, it can fly anywhere, anytime, which would be a real help in case of emergency. Also save fuel, which is a very limited resource on Earth. Also it can reach at the emergency spot immediately without getting stuck in traffic. It can also help in reducing air pollution and noise pollution. Also, I can help the poor and needy with my Flying Medical Van. So this is all about my imaginary Flying Medical Van. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Kashmi Kumar. I study in Anandanya High School, class 1. This is my dream city. Let me show you around. This is police station. This is school where children learn and do their exams best. This is a hospital where doctors cure sick people. This is temple. The mandir. This is windmill. This is traffic signal. This is energy source. This is clean road. This is my dream city. Thank you.
Good morning.
teachers and my dear friends. My name is Krishita Agarwal. I study in grade 1st A. My school name is Anna Dalma High School. The project I made, it is for food engine. See what I made. It gave us chocolates, biscuits, cookies, and many more. I always dream having a food engine so I can share with my friends when you cannot feel hungry because we have food engine. Whenever you have to eat, you can eat. What you like chocolates, you can come in my food engine and you can eat. You know what my favorite chocolate is? Kit Kats, cookies ones, and etc. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Pehel Singh. I study in Anand Anya High School, grade 1 Division A. Today I welcome you all to my chocolate world. My imaginary world has everything made of chocolate. I love chocolate, so I have decorated my rooms with chocolate that are my favorite. Many fun things to do here. I have so many ice creams. Oh, I have some lollipops. I have candies. I have a birthday cake. Oh, see, I have chocolate trees. I have a chocolate mountain. I have a dairy milk. I have cupcakes. I have chocolate wafers and a chocolate ice cream. I have all yummy things at my home. I have chocolate ice cream or candies. I would like to have my favorite chocolate ice cream anytime I want. The trees outside of my house also have chocolate fruits on them. My dream house has a pond nearby which has chocolate trees all around. We have a playground with many types of swings made of chocolate where I go to play in the evening. I share all the chocolates, this one, 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 with all my friends. Every time I go to my friend's house to study or to play, I carry their favorite chocolates to give them. Whenever I go to birthday parties, I take gifts to gift them, cake and ice creams to gift them that they like. On holidays, I go to visit mountains that are also made of chocolate. And some days I also go to beach with my family. There are chocolates all around. Thank you for visiting my imaginary chocolate world. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. I am Parita Sanam from grade 1 Division A and my roll number is 15. Today I am going to talk on my project. My project is my imaginary flying school bus. My imaginary flying school bus is here. My imaginary flying school bus flying all the way to educate children. We all know due to coronavirus, Government of India called the lockdown and all schools closed. We all live in metro city. Children starting our education classes online, but children in rural areas don't have such a network. So I made my school bus. My school bus work on solar system, so teacher can easily teach the students. My school bus has all facilities like benches, teaching board, scale, pen, books, projector, etc. My school bus has wings, so teacher can easily fly and go anywhere to teach the children. Anytime, any villages like morning, afternoon, or evening. So children get education properly and they don't waste their academic year. Thank you. Topic is my imaginary world. Today I like to present a very special pencil. This pencil has a auto suggest option which will help people to write correct spelling in real time. While the pencil is battery operated, it also has a small solar panel also can remember the sentence we are writing to rectify grammatical mistakes. This pencil is a real boon for people who are not writing in their first language. This pencil's nib is very flexible to ensure that the pencil's nib is not broken time and again. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone, respected principals, teachers, coordinators and my dear friends. My name is Sanskrit Jha. I am studying class 1A. My topic is My Imaginary Doll House. Playtime is one of the most important things of our childhood. Imaginary Play with Doll House has been welcome addition to my home. That addition to my home here I have made a new addition to my home, that is wooden doll house. For this I have used hard wooden cardboard and made multi-story high-rise doll house. All the things made by wooden and clay. This doll house has different floors. On the ground floor there is parking for my doll car, a beautiful kitchen and a garden. On the first floor there is bedroom which is of pink color. It attached to a swimming pool. On the top floor there is living room which is of blue color. I made this doll house with lot of patience and imaginations. And I imagined that I made same house for myself in near future. Let's come see my doll house. It is bedroom which is of pink color. It attached to a swimming pool. And I made some cookies made by clay. This living room which is of blue color, I put here sanitizer due to corona. And there is parking and a garden and a pet dog and a beautiful kitchen and swimming pool. And thank you. I love painting now and coloring a dollhouse. Friends, teacher and my dear friends, my name is Anish Kashyap. My school name is Anandanya. I study in 1A. My topic Imaginary Tree. Today I tell you about story about imaginary tree. One day I saw many chocolate trees in the forest. There were many chocolates ladder on those trees. I called my friends Soda Tiara. We all enjoyed and played. We plucked many chocolates and ate. Suddenly I woke up and realized that it was a beautiful dream. I wish it suddenly it be true. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Sarma Gupta. I am studying in Anadanya High School from grade 1A. I made this topic about imaginary cars. Do you know why I select this topic? This topic is very special for me. I am fond of cars. I usually prefer to travel by car. Do you know my car can float in water and fly in Vaishnav Gosavi. I am learning in first standard. ATV Chand. In this year in Nirman, we have a theme of my imaginary world. My imaginary. So my imaginary world have my imaginary house in Iceland. An igloo is house which is built in the snowland, Iceland. The igloo is generally used and builds and be Eskimo people. This is igloo. This is all trees and this is a snowman. This is all trees and this is my sweet igloo.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Abhijit Mishra. Welcome to our project Nirman Acceleration. Our princess is a flying car.
It is yellow color.
It is yellow color. It can say where you are.
Start. It has 4 tires.
Action!
It has 4 times,
4
2
tires.
wings. It can say bye. It's up. It
Correct.
has 4 people time.
इसमें करवा
The
ले।
stereo time.
Machi.
Always traffic jam. I will go to school my car. We share this car with my friends and family. I will make this car with our eye over up. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Vijay. I am studying grade 1 and I am going to give presentation on model jungle where animals and human beings staying together in jungle. Let's start our project.
We have come to cut the trees so we can build buildings.
No, please don't cut the trees. It's home for animals. They live here.
Yes, it's our home. Where will we go?
Because of this jungle, we get rain, oxygen, and many more things. So it's a request to you not to cut the jungle.
The takeaway from this project is save jungle, save animals. Thank you. Materials used in this project are cardboard, green grass, plant, trees, animals, glue, and many more things.
ma'am, parents, and dear my friend. I am Prashant Kantia. Today I will speak about a solar system. The solar system consists of the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Two largest planets, Jupiter, Saturn. The Sun is a star. All planets move around the Sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Thank you.
My imaginary world. Topic: my ice cream world. Today I am going to tell you about my imaginary ice cream world. This is my beautiful and amazing ice cream world. It has ice creams of many flavors. It has big mountains full of ice cream. It has rainbows made of ice cream. It has cakes made of ice cream. It has rivers of ice cream. Donuts of ice cream can be used as float in the river. It has all flavors like strawberry, pineapple, chocolate, mango, etc. Some are in candy form, some lollipop which we can suck, and some in donut form and some in chocolate form. We would climb ice cream mountains using ladders of ice cream and enjoy all flavor of ice cream. Wherever you see there was only ice cream, as soon I open my mouth I can enjoy delicious ice cream. I want to take my own friend to this ice cream world and give them big ice cream party. We would slide in ice cream, we would happy sing ice cream rainbows, we would climb ice cream mountains, we would stay in separate ice cream houses, we would swim in ice cream rivers using our donut float, we would explore ice cream cave,
Good afternoon, respected ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Krish Shetty from grade 1A. Let me introduce you all my imaginary flying car. Flying car is a type of personal air vehicles that provides door-to-door transportation by both road and air. As it is an electric flying car, it needs to be charged, and hence we can save fuel, and it will also help our surrounding from pollution. Flying car will save us from traffic and also help us to reach our destination on time. Flying car would be hard to drive in bad weather, hence precaution would be taken. Flying car would be make traveling easier. I wish I have own flying. My name is Mananata in class first day. My project is rainwater harvesting and uses of solar power. Friends, do you know what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is when the rain falls in entire area. What comes down to rainwater collected pipe, joint rainwater drill pipe, joint rainwater collect body. Friends, do you know this water can be used in our home also to cook food, to watering plants in our garden, to bath animals, to drinking water animals, also to farming solar irrigation. Friends, do you know what is solar irrigation? I will tell you. This is a farming by help with solar energy. There is energy from sun that converted into thermal or electrical energy. Solar energy can be used. Energy is the cleanest and most
technology converts sunlight PV panel, two PV panels got into energy. PV panel, we can use this electricity in home. This solar electricity pump. This pump push water to irrigation pipe connected to farm. This is how solar irrigation farm. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Namaskar, roll number 27, Division 8, Grade 1. My Nirmal project is Imaginary Green Town. Imaginary Green Town. And this is my town full of greenery. Have you noticed here there is no buildings, only trees, because it's very bad to cut trees to build buildings. So in my green town, all the houses are on a tree. Yes, full of tree house. Isn't it beautiful? Because of cutting trees, environment is suffering a lot. This will control pollution and breathe fresh air. As a river instead of swimming pool. Here we can enjoy swimming in the river. Enjoy this beautiful mountain on any sunny day. These are my tree houses. This beautiful house on the top of this tree is my house. This is my house. This coconut trees will give me coconut water to drink every day. I will go for a swimming on this river daily with my friend. I wish I could make really such a town and stay with my friends. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nihanjan, studying in Nandana High School, Grade 1A. Welcome you all in our Digital Nirman Exhibition 2020. Today I would like to share about my imaginary life on Mars. First I explain my model. There are astronaut, space shuttle, trees, buildings, swing, pond, fishes, car, road, park, stone, humans and many more things. It is made up of materials like basket, crepe paper, cardboard and many more things. This is model of Mars planet where I can imagine life on it. If this happens, it would be a greatest achievement in science, history and geography as well. Mars will become second planet after Earth to have human civilization on it. Scientists are also in research of about that life could be habitat on Mars. It is believed that water is found on Mars, but all the scientists are doing research on it. Imagine that if life appears on Mars, we can send people on Mars and can reduce the burden on Earth and its resources. ISRO was first to reach on Mars, and in future I imagine that ISRO would send the humans on Mars, and this will lead to a upgrade in science and technology. My dream is to become an astronaut to give a visit to my imaginary life on Mars. Thank you.
everyone, welcome to my robotic automobile factory. This is my factory. These are my car shapes and these are my robots. Welcome to my robot all automobile factory. Hello everyone, my name is Adrian. I am from class A. I have designed a factory where robot works in the production of cars, like from arranging raw material to the factory. So it's final transportation in local storage. Robots are machines which will do lots of work, which is repetitive in nature compared to human beings and get tired easily, but robots do not get tired. Man is an intelligent animal. Robots help to manufacture cars faster. Robots help to save lots of money. And the intelligent animal with higher IQ. Its intelligence can be used to preemptive work, strategic thinking to progress faster. Materials to make my project, Jenga blocks, robots, cars, and other processes. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I Priyanshu will welcome you all to my imaginary room. I have prepared this with the help of all sugar, papers and my toys. My imaginary room has wallpapers of my favorite heroes. I have a small bookshelf, a study table, and a small laptop. There is a small bed and a small night table. I have decorated it with beautiful lights. Thank you.
I am Aryan Chaba from class 1A. Today my topic is imaginary windmill. Windmill is the machine that uses the power of the wind. Windmill has two number of blades that spin around. Blades are mounted in tall tower. It is used to produce electricity. It causes no pollution. It is made the cardboard and paper and straw. It is the blue sky. It is also called turbine. It is safe furniture. Thank you.
Hi friend, my name is Reyansh Mangal. I am student of 1A. Today my topic is magic hat. I want a magic hat. Whenever I will wear it, it makes my brain sharp. It will help me to remember everything and score good marks. Oh globe, it seems difficult. Let me wear my hat. Hat is here only. Hat, show your magic. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, South America and North America. Oh my god, this puzzle is very hard. Let me wear my hat. Hat, show your magic. Yay, this is done. I don't know to sing and dance. Let me wear my hat. Hat, show your magic. This poem is very difficult to learn. Let me wear my hat. Hat, show your magic. Moon and star, shining up on the sky. Shining up on the sky. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Teacher, good morning.
Good morning. Tell me, Riyansh, what is 30 plus 40?
Oh, teacher, it is very difficult. Let me wear my hat. Oh, I know the answer. It is 70.
Very good.
useful if I had one. If I had real one, it is so wonderful.
Hello everybody, I am Ishan Pimenta. I study in grade 1, section A. My topic for imaginary world is Spider Boy fighting Corona the monster. Yes, my dear friends, I want my world to be free from this deadly, scary monster whose name is coronavirus, belonging to the family of coronavirus, whose mission is to destroy humanity. Nobody is coming to save us other than our doctors and nurses. But what if somebody could? No, who can get us out of this mess? Well, here he is, my imaginary superhero, Spider-Boy. Here he comes to save the. Now let me introduce you to other characters of my imaginary world. Here is the big scary monster named Corona. Here is the hospital with doctors and nurses who are real Corona warriors, and here is the society and people and children. As you can see in my model, these coronavirus monsters are trying to enter the hospitals and society premises. Here is a man and a boy who's wearing mask and maintaining social distancing and are safe. Here is a man and a boy who are not maintaining social distancing and not wearing mask. The man is coughing and the boy has trouble. The spider boy is sitting up of the hospital's roof and watching everything. He wants to save his small imaginary world. Spider boy will trap and destroy the coronavirus with his web shooters and not allow to come in the hospital and society premises. My spider boy will swing through the lanes and sling a mask to uncovered faces with his web shooter. He will distribute sanitizers and vaccines to need people. So my dear friends, don't be scared. Our Spider-Man is there to save us from this deadly scary monster. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Satwiti Sir from grade 1. I welcome you to the Nirman 2020. The theme of this is here. Imaginary world. My project will take you on the tour of space, and you may also call it as a universe. So let us board my rocket and go around my universe. Universe comprises of all forms of energy, including electromagnetic and matters. It includes planet, moon, star, galaxy, and other Milky Ways. Our sun and its planet is a part of this vast universe. Now, to reach in a space, we need a special type mode to transport it. It's known as rocket. Different rockets are used as spacecraft or a space shuttle. Humans and other material in space. Invention of rockets have helped us in knowing our space in a better way. Scientists are trying to find an alternative planet with variable atmosphere to habitat the human population. Let us hope and pray that they succeed in their effort. Thank you.
Thank you. my imaginary Diya. I imagine a world where is there no darkness. My imaginary Diya will light where there is darkness. My Diya stands for knowledge, purity and good luck. Samosoma Jyoti Tamaya, that means lead me from darkness to light. Light, oh light everywhere, remove the darkness in our life.
Name is Vardhan Arora. Today I am going to tell you about my imaginary dream house. I have made my imaginary dream house with help of my parents. I have cut big pieces of cardboard into small pieces. I made windows, curtains, flower beds and doors. Now let me show you my imaginary dream house. It has beautiful rooftop along with chimney and pavement where we can all play. It has storage room and back door. It has storage door and openable door. It has garage door also. It has shed on my door. I hope you all like my imaginary dream house. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Vidyu Deepak. I am going to talk about my imaginary world. Snow falling in Mumbai. I love winter season because the climate is pleasant and cold. The best part of winter is that it snows. That's why in my imaginary world it snows in Mumbai. Now I will take you on a visit to my imaginary world. This is the gateway of India, which is built on the shore of Arabian Sea. Due to the winter season, the sea water has frozen. As you all know, water freezes under 0-degree temperature. On this frozen ice, the people are skating. Children are enjoying in the snow by hitting each other with snowballs. I and my friend have made a snowman and named him Olaf. In the winter, people protect themselves by wearing woolen clothes. Winter clothes are jackets, gloves, sweater, scarves and suit. I hope you all like my imaginary world. Thank you.
Hello teachers and my dear friends. My name is Yuvraj Sudarshan Pillai. I study in N.N. Dania High School, 1st Standard Division A. My Nirman project is Imaginary Farmhouse. My farmhouse is in Kerala. In my farmhouse, here we have garden. Here we have two dogs to protect our farmhouse. One dog is eating food. Rabbit is eating carrot. Here we have 3D car outside the house. Here we have chair to relax. Here we have swimming pool to play. Hope you like my farmhouse. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishit Sen. Today I will tell a secret with you. Don't tell anyone. I am from future. I am from the year 2000.
rocket brought me from future. It is an invisible rocket. I can make it visible by code. I can travel from planet to planet using this rocket. I can go to past and to future using this rocket. This is called time-space traveling. This is my rocket. It has one big cylinder and three small cylinders. In the big cylinder, it is full of nitrogen. The nitrogen is used as fuel. It will take me to Mars. These are sensors. These sensors are used to put signal in one satellite to another satellite. This is India flag. I will represent my country, India. Today I have a mission. I'll go to Mars and meet my clone Ishit Mangal. Turning on lights. Starting rocket. Going to Mars. 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 Hello Ishit Mangal. Everything is okay? Look, Ishit Mangal reporting. Ishit Mangal reporting. Everything is okay. Okay. Good to go. Thank you, Ishit Mangal, for your update. Going to Earth. Finally, I came back on Earth. Today, my mission complete. My name is Ishit, son of 1A in Aldania High School. Thanks for much watching my rocket.
Miss, I am Dharmishta Dharmaraj Kasalkar from grade 1A and I am here to give you a speech on my imaginary house. I have made this house by cardboard and a moving door. It has a colony around it and sticked the cotton up on the roof of the house, sticked some papers as paint, and I used black paper and cut it in the shape of fence and sticked it. I have also made the windows, sticked cotton as snow on the roof and some stairs on the entrance of the house. I have done this project at home with my parents' help. My home has 3 flats and a flood terrace. When it rains, the water will not come at my home from roof. And the most important part is the hall, kitchen and bedroom. In the house there is a small little cute tree at the colony. I have made a big window at the roof. The shape is circle. There is also a design stripped cuts below the roof and sticked it. I also helped my parents in making my project. I would think that if I would be to live there with my family. My house also have a platform under it. I love my imaginary house very much. Thank you.